feel like it will go with anything from like denim, my newfound love for denim, right? It can go with like denim, it can go with like really dressy, you know, clothes if you go to a fancy dinner or anything like that. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Bulgaria again to pick up my gift that I'm gonna receive from them for the event that I was holding. I don't know, guys, if you haven't seen that video yet, it was the most fabulous day ever, so go and check it out. Yeah, so I'm just so speechless, you know, because of all of you I kind of got here, and I just want to say a huge big thank you again, guys. And yeah, let's go and collect my bag. Also, guys, now is the time to guess what bag I'm gonna get. And guys, quick little OOTD. I love this mirror, you guys know it. So this jumpsuit, I've already had this one last year, but I love it. You know, you look really well put together, but it's such a comfortable fit as well. Love jumpsuits in summer. I can't believe this is happening. Guys, look at these colors. Wow. Okay, any guesses? Last chance to guess, and then we're gonna go home and do a beautiful unboxing. So I would say let's go home and unbox this baby. Hi everyone, we're home. Okay, it's time for the unboxing, and I just got changed. And we have my Bulgari bag right here. And guys, Dina gave me like 8 perfume samples. So I'm gonna have one for like every day of the week, plus an additional day. So thank you so much, Dina. I can't wait to try them out. It's like so many. Can you see that? Okay, so guys, I can already tell you this is going to be my summer 23 bag. I'm probably gonna be wearing it every single day. If you ever see me running around London, by the way, I always love it when you come and say hi, but you're probably gonna see me with this bag for sure. So oh, guys, thank you so much to Bulgari again for gifting me this bag. It's me in a bag. So yeah, okay, here we are. Bulgari. I can't wait to style this bag. I feel like it will go with anything from like denim, my newfound love for denim, right? It can go with like denim, it can go with like really dressy, you know, clothes if you go to a fancy dinner or anything like that. So let's do this. And they always spray a little bit of their perfume on the boxes as well, and it smells absolutely incredible. Okay, are we ready, guys? This is the best present, the best gift I've ever received. It is so, like, once you see the color, I think I'm gonna be on trend. It comes in its little dust cloth. They of course have the proper dust bag as well. Here's the strap. Let me put that away. I'm not very good at hiding things. Okay, let's do it this way. Yeah, you know now. You know now. I can't wait to see the Barbie film, by the way. What about you guys? Are you gonna go and watch the Barbie film? Oh. Hello. So this is Bulgari's new it bag, and it is called the Serpentine Top Handle Bag. And I think it's such a beautiful shape. It's very unique, if you ask me. I think it's very vintagey. It really gives off vintage vibes, but in a very modern way, because you actually do have silver hardware here, mixed with gold hardware, and depending on which bag you get, because they come in like grey, white, black, I think, oh god, they have so many different colors. Like some of them have like a really rich gold snake handle, and then you have some which have this kind of like champagne gold. It's more champagne gold than anything else. My engagement ring is platinum, so you know, it goes obviously well with this, but then I always wear like gold jewelry, right? I love it. And actually the Bulgari at the back is silver as well. You got feet, which, you know, is always very helpful, and you got stickers on there. I honestly can't wait to try it. It's beautiful lambskin leather, and you guys know I always say Bulgari quality is the best, the craftsmanship is the best. If you ever have issues, you know, they're gonna have a lifelong guarantee. They're gonna help you with your bag. something we don't see very often. So the way you open and close this bag is there's this little button here. You just press on it and it opens and then very easily closes. Okay. So there's a lot of paperwork and every bag comes with a raincoat. So the dust bag's actually in here and the raincoat. And then you just have a lot of stuff in. And the interior of this bag is actually a baby pink. And the baby pink bag, oh yeah, this bag comes in baby pink as well. The baby pink version has a hot pink interior. So that's actually quite nice. As you can see, it has the baby pink leather and this bag is entirely leather lined. So it's leather from the outside, it's leather from the inside, you know, that's the true luxury. So we have the little baby pink leather on the inside. You have like one flap pocket right here. And yeah, that's it. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Wow. Okay, let me show you modeling shots. Yes, I'm gonna be wearing a lot of pink. Barbie pink. So this is the bag. I think it's just absolutely incredible. It's sophisticated, it's chic, it's modern, but vintage at the same time, you know. It's everything in one bag. And oh, look at this. Perfection. Absolute perfection. You can wear it on the crook of your arm. Obviously, if you choose like a denim outfit, this would really pop. And you would see it way better, but you know, I love monochrome outfits as well, where like everything is just one color. Yeah, there's so many different ways of how you can wear this beauty. Oh, hi, let me show you, let me give you a close-up. Et voila. Just take it in. Oh guys, and for anyone who's interested, so this is the coat for the bag. If you want to go to your local boutique and ask for it. And I have forgotten to show you the strap. So of course we have this beautiful strap that comes with the bag. It's adjustable. Oh, and look at the stitching. Can we see that, how beautifully it's done? So this is actually silver hardware throughout. Like I said, you can beautifully mix and match your gold and silver jewelry with this bag. And then how you attach it, you open the bag and you have these little things here. So if you just wear the bag like this, you don't really see the hooks. But if you want to wear it with a strap, you can fold these out on both sides. Et voila. And then you close it and you got these two little hooks there. What you can do is attach it. So it's Bulgari's classic mechanism. Oh, it's so hot, guys. It is so hot in London. So you attach it on both sides. And voila, let me show you how that one looks like as well. So this is the bag with the strap. Actually not too bad. If you need to be hands-free, it is not too bad. Like I said, you can adjust it. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer, depending on your height. But it's a beautiful, yeah, hands-free option. Best gift ever. Thank you so much, Bulgari. Okay, I think that was it, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. And yeah, I see you very, very soon. And can you see how smooth it is? How beautiful and soft the leather is. Obviously, once you fill it up, you know, it's gonna be absolutely perfect and beautiful. But the leather is just so soft and subtle. Okay, good. Enough. Bye.